Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Cash App to your Chase Bank account. First, open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Link Banks, then tap Link Debit Card or No Card to link your Chase account directly. From the list of banks, choose Chase, then log in using your Chase online banking details to connect your account. Once linked, go back to the home screen, tap the bank icon at the bottom, and select your cash balance. Now tap Withdraw or Transfer to Link Bank. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your money will move from Cash App to your Chase account in just a few moments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.